Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Yesterday, we had equities try to push a little bit lower, but that rejection against support in the Russell really started to lead the way higher. You have the S&P held ground really well yesterday, with the banks performing tremendously, and everything was up 2.5 to 3.5%. And while the banks are doing well today, it was tech and the NASDAQ as well as the Russell that weren't doing so well. But the tech and the NASDAQ got back to pair all losses before the bell, and now you have tech leading the way higher. So it's a little bit of a rotation, and you're seeing a melt up in equities. We have some resistance here in the S&P, 28.37, 28.41, and it really has a bullseye on this level, it seems. Watch this level to kind of slow down this or stall the buying here, but we are very cautious still heading into Monday announcement of tariffs. Moving on to crude oil, traded out above 71 bucks. 71.35 was the high. You had OPEC ministers saying it's very unlikely to see production raised at this meeting this weekend, and President Trump came right back and demanded that they stop prices from going higher. We've seen the market retreat back. This has been a very constructive market. It's a bull market for a very long time now. Pullbacks are becoming more and more constructive. Our momentum indicators are below our first key support, which is 69.80. So watch the sell-off into this area, and it's going to be hard to really pinpoint where it could go to, but it's going to be a buying opportunity anywhere from 69.5 all the way up to 70 bucks. And if it can remain constructive, the next leg up should be that breakout. So watch for that. And then on the side with the metals, you're seeing the metals perform very well. Palladium has just been putting tremendous session after session in, but gold is seemingly struggling to get out above that resistance here, where our hard resistance on the morning express, but then we also have some levels right above there, all the way up to 1220, and we need to see a push through there to really get this big short position on edge. But who's also thinking this thing's going to break out are the producers, and you rarely ever see them going long. Looks like they're getting or starting to get excited about gold too at these levels, so watch for that. And then lastly, on the currencies, the dollar is pushing below 94. That's the dollar index. It's a breakdown here. We should be able to see some momentum. Give us a call if you want to talk about anything on the board, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors. Thank you.